Disclaimer: I'm gonna try to opt off the style that Sonam Kapoor sported of sari draping, but the material and the color are not similar. Hi my beauties and welcome back to my channel. So recently I was searching for distinct draping styles of saris, and I found this photograph of Sonam Kapoor that spotted her having a beautiful pink and white looking sari along with a white dupatta that was draped all around her so perfectly. She was looking so elegant, so I tried to copy her style of her draping. I hope you all will enjoy this drape, and if you people do, then please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe. Once again, I'd like to mention that the dupatta of hers was white, not blue, but I didn't have a white dupatta. So with that disclaimer being set apart, let's just get started. I'm going to start off with a basic sari drape that is an entire wrap all around my body, as I can show you over here at the moment. Then I'm going to go ahead and find the fancy end of the sari. I'm sorry, it took me a while to go ahead and insert everything inside because it's a net fabric material. Anyhow, I'm gonna find the fancy end of the sari and then roughly just vertically pleat it at the moment, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place it over my left shoulder because I did wanted to go ahead and measure the length of the pallu, as well as I wanted a pin to be tucked in where my pallu ends near my navel. And that's what I did at the moment. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pleat my sari, as you guys can see me doing right here. I'm framing a scissor with the help of my pinky and my thumb and my index finger and the largest finger of the hand, and I'm just going to go ahead and pleat the sari. Pleating needs a lot of practice, guys, so just don't feel discouraged if you don't get it in the first go. Just go ahead and practice, and definitely one day you'll be able to pleat it really well. Like 2 to 3 attempts are more than enough for getting your pleating habit perpetual, or your hands habitual of going ahead and pleating, and then you can definitely go ahead and pleat all of your saris with way too much of an ease. That is what I would like to mention. While I'm just going to go ahead and arrange the entire pleats, and I'm just going to insert them right underneath my navel. Now if you people want a perfect look in a sari, just go ahead and try to make sure that your sari, the pleats of your sari, are tucked in underneath your right underneath your navel, so as to make sure that it looks pretty. Then I'm going to go ahead and just take care of the pallu for a while. I'm just going to place it over my left shoulder and just going to grab it once. This is not the final look, so it's just I'm just placing it on my left shoulder, and then I'm gonna go ahead with the dupatta. Now Sonam Kapoor was having a white dupatta, but I didn't have a white dupatta, so I had to go with whatever I had. I had this silk dupatta. This is blue in color. I just went ahead and placed one edge of this dupatta underneath my pleats, and I'm just gonna pin it right over there. You know, place it underneath your pleats just to make sure that the dupatta is hidden underneath your pleats, and then I'm gonna cross the dupatta in a clockwise direction from my bottom area or my bum, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab it vertically once again, and I'm just gonna pleat it once again, just a rough pleating, because it's just gonna get accumulated and it is supposed to be there as a dupatta onto your neck. So that's what I did at the moment. I just went ahead, pleated it, and grabbed the edge of the dupatta and place it onto my neck, as you guys can see me doing right here. You want to go ahead and adjust it according to your height and the way you want it to be, and you want to adjust it onto the bottom as well. It just looks really very graceful. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and pin my sari in place where I want it to be placed, and that's pretty much it. After that, I'll just go ahead and roughly pleat the sari onto the hand. Her pallu was open, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave the pallu open at the moment, and it's just something that I felt that wasn't getting into the way as well. Even I was having 2 distinct piece of clothes draped all around me. It was quite comfortable. So if you people want to try this drape, don't forget to tag me in the photographs. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye.